Oh! So guys, we're planning to tune this car, right? And just by driving this car, I know that these wheels won't be able to manage the horsepower. Second gear. And looking at the wheels, they look like the cars from in the 1920s and 1930s. That's how the wheels look on this, the rear ones. We need some wider tires at the back. I have some tires, I don't know if they're gonna fit, but I want to test them on it and see if it works, because these cars has a very, we call it wheel arch. The wheel arch, the space kind of small, so I don't know how a wider tire will fit under here. Probably will rub, I don't know, but we're gonna put them on. I mean, what's the worst I can? We'll put on the tire and take it off back. That's the worst. Boom. Put it under the front tire right here. Under the tire.
Then
Yeah.
I'd go along?
Yeah, you go and put it under the tire. Good job. I'm almost 100% these tires won't work. Man, these tires are too big.
Okay, let me open it.
They're much taller. Much taller than these ones.
Oh, shit.
Man, these won't fit.
Do not lock your side.
I mean, they probably can fit under the fender, but it might look too big and out of place. But I'll try. I probably should try one first. Let's try one first, because the tire shop is not very far from my house. So let's try one. So my last video was about tires, and this is no different. All right, guys, so I went to it. I didn't go with this tire because it's going to be too big. So this was the tire that was on it before, and I had these were the first set of tires that I had on the car, and I was saying they were too old, so I took them off, but I'm going to put them back on the car. These, on the other hand, you see how tall they are, guys? They're wider, but they're too tall.
The one thing, okay? Don't take off the hammer.
All right, next side. So now that we have the tire on the car, we should have a little bit more traction whenever we tune this car, because before those little bicycle wheels wasn't doing it. You know what I mean? So hopefully these can do the job. But there's a storm coming, so we need to put this car back in the garage, and we also need to put that Black Series back in the garage. So let's do all of that right now.
Are you taking off?
Alright, so the cars are all parked now, protected from the rain. Well, some of them still outside, but the priceless ones are inside. So storm can come and shed some tears right now. I did everything that I wanted to get done. Change the tires, put the cars in the garage. This car is dirty, but it's fine. When the storm is done, we'll wash it off and go for a drive. Thanks for watching, guys. I mean, the last video was about tires. This video was about tires and the storm. So we'll see you guys in the next one.